How to compress PDF file without losing quality. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there is this website that is called I Love PDF, from where you will get several options of editing your PDF. From this website you can also compress your PDF file with PDF file size without having to lose the quality. And to use this, simply open your preferred browser, search for I Love PDF. This is the one that you would be looking for. Scroll down and then you will find an option of compress PDF, and all you have to do is select PDF file from your gallery or from your file picker and upload the PDF. Select compressing and it will be compressed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.